The World Health Organization has warned of an impending mental health crisis, predicting that mental health issues could surge globally in the coming years, affecting millions. As the world grapples with the lingering effects of the pandemic, anxiety and depression rates have soared, revealing a hidden layer of harm that often goes unnoticed. In response to this growing crisis, innovative solutions such as mental health apps and online support groups are emerging, providing accessible resources for those in need. Holistic approaches like mindfulness and meditation are gaining traction as communities seek to foster resilience and promote mental well-being during these challenging times. Researchers are tirelessly working to understand the roots of this mental pandemic, while grassroots initiatives strive to raise awareness and reduce the stigma surrounding mental health. As society acknowledges the importance of mental health, families, friends, and communities are rallying together to create supportive environments that prioritize open conversations and access to resources. Art and community engagement are becoming powerful tools in the fight against the mental health crisis, inspiring hope and solidarity among individuals of all ages. Conferences and collaborative efforts among mental health professionals are paving the way for new strategies and interventions to combat the looming mental pandemic. At the heart of this crisis is the need for compassion and understanding, as families and individuals seek comfort in one another amidst the turmoil. Educational institutions are increasingly prioritizing mental health, fostering environments where students feel supported and empowered to share their experiences. From serene beaches to health fairs, communities are embracing diverse methods to promote mental wellness, reminding us all of the importance of self-care and support. Access to mental health services is crucial as more individuals seek help, highlighting the need for a robust healthcare system that integrates mental health into overall wellness. Connection and understanding are powerful antidotes to isolation, as friendships and support networks play a vital role in the journey toward mental wellness. Through creative therapies and community outreach, society is finding innovative ways to break the silence surrounding mental health and inspire hope for a brighter future. Literature and education are essential in the fight against the mental health crisis, providing individuals with valuable insights and tools to navigate their challenges. Collaboration among mental health practitioners and community members is key, as they work together to create safe spaces for dialogue and healing. Intergenerational exchanges provide valuable perspectives on mental health, fostering resilience through shared experiences and collective wisdom. Artistic expression emerges as a powerful avenue for self-exploration, allowing individuals to depict their mental health journeys and connect with others on a deeper level. Community centers are stepping up to provide essential mental health workshops, creating spaces where individuals can learn coping strategies and build supportive networks. Small acts of kindness and community engagement are pivotal, as they inspire people to come together to advocate for mental health awareness and support. Engaging with mental health professionals is crucial, as they provide vital support and resources that empower individuals to take charge of their mental well-being. Training programs are equipping individuals with the skills to recognize and respond to mental health challenges, strengthening community resilience in the process. Support groups offer invaluable spaces for individuals to share their journeys, fostering a sense of belonging while promoting healing through collective understanding. As awareness spreads across urban landscapes, cities become beacons of hope, highlighting the collective. Promotion of mental health begins early, as families and communities come together to cultivate environments where children can thrive emotionally and socially. Educational institutions recognize the importance of mental health education, providing workshops that equip students with essential coping techniques for life's challenges. Community gardens become nurturing spaces for healing, where individuals cultivate not only plants but also relationships that foster emotional growth and resilience. Public initiatives are transforming everyday spaces into platforms for dialogue, encouraging people to engage in conversations about mental health and seek help. Friendship and support networks play an essential role in combating loneliness, reminding us that connection is vital in the journey towards mental wellness. Workshops led by mental health professionals create interactive environments, encouraging participants to learn valuable skills while accessing crucial support resources. Open dialogue within families is essential, as sharing experiences about mental health creates understanding and strengthens bonds across generations. Nature and animals provide powerful tools for healing, enhancing mental well-being through connection and mindfulness in everyday activities. In schools, mental health education is becoming paramount, empowering students to understand their emotions and seek help when needed. Digital tools are revolutionizing mental health access, allowing individuals to assess their well-being and promoting supportive environments in workplaces. Community engagement is vital as advocates work tirelessly to spread awareness and promote activities that enhance both physical and mental health,